If you live in a city like Cleveland and you want a glass of water, will you drink the tap water? Maybe it's not clean. Or will you drink a bottle from the clean forests of Fiji? The Fiji Water Company made many ads. They said it says Fiji because it's not from Cleveland. But the people of Cleveland didn't like that. They tested the water. The test showed Fiji water was lower quality. The test showed people liked the taste of Cleveland water better. And the Fiji water cost thousands of times more. This happens all the time when you test bottled water against tap water. Is it cleaner? Sometimes, sometimes not. There is less government regulation over tap water. Does it taste better? In taste tests in the U.S., most people choose tap over bottled water. Bottled water companies say there's demand for their product. But who wants to buy the product? It's more expensive, and you can get water for free in your kitchen. Bottled water costs about 2,000 times more than tap water. Do you spend 2,000 times more for anything else? Will you buy a $10,000 sandwich? But people in the U.S. buy more than 500 million bottles of water every week. That's enough to make a circle around the earth 5 times. It's because of our economy, because the companies manufactured demand. Companies want to grow. They need to sell more stuff. In the 1970s, companies like Coca-Cola and Pepsi stopped growing. People didn't want to drink more soda. It is not very healthy. Most people prefer to drink water. Well, the companies had an idea. Sell water. People thought the idea was funny. Water? Water is free. We don't have to buy air. So how can the companies sell us something that is free? The companies needed to manufacture demand. How do you do that? If you are a company, you want to sell your product, but people don't want to buy something that is free. So you make people feel scared about the tap water. Companies put advertisements on TV. They said the tap water is not clean. The companies said, when we're done, tap water will be only for showers and washing dishes. Next, the companies made a nice image. Did you notice that water bottles always have pictures of mountains and nature? But 1/3 of all bottled water in the United States comes from the tap. For example, Aquafina and Dasani are just filtered tap water. Bottled water is very bad for the environment. First, they use oil to make the water bottles. Each year, the oil used for plastic water bottles is enough for 1 million cars. Then the companies use energy to ship the water bottles around the world. Then we drink it in 2 minutes. And now the bottle is trash. Now we have another problem. What happens to the bottles when we are done? 80% of the bottles go to landfills or incinerators where they're burned. This makes toxic pollution. Only 20% is recycled. Companies should not put real mountains on their labels. They should put mountains of plastic trash, scaring us, seducing us, and misleading us. This is how companies manufacture demand. Now there is a multi-billion-dollar bottled water industry, and now companies need to beat the competition. But the competition is our basic human right to clean, safe drinking water. Pepsi's vice president said, "The biggest enemy is tap water. They want us to think it's dirty." In many places, the public water is polluted because of industries like the plastic bottle industry. So the bottled water companies can sell the people their expensive water. We need to stop this. We all need to say no to bottled water. Buy bottled water only if the water in your community is truly unhealthy. Yes, you have to remember to bring a reusable water bottle, but you can do it. Then, Work for real solutions like investment in clean tap water for all. In the U.S., we need more money for clean public tap water. Around the world, 1 billion people don't have access to clean drinking water. Cities spend millions of dollars to clean up the plastic bottles we throw away. What if we spend that money improving public water systems or preventing pollution? Ask your city to put in more public drinking fountains. Work for your school, church, or city to stop buying bottled water. The bottled water industry is worried because we are done. We will not buy their manufactured demand. We will choose our own demands, and we demand safe, clean water for all.